Okay guys, so we have here is some Jamaican almond here on the chopping board. We're getting ready to make Jamaican almond oil. Okay, so first I start by chopping these. So I'm just going to chop as much of these as I can. Just want to show you real quick. Alright. Okay, so we have the almond, Jamaican almond, all chopped. So now we're getting ready to put them in the hopper and turning into oil. All right, so we got our almonds all chopped and we're getting ready to press them out now and turn them into almond oil. All right, here we go. For those of you who know, back in Jamaica, I used to do all of this pressing by hand, so it's really a relief to be here and, you know, be able to click a button and get it all going. It's really amazing. So I don't want to load the hopper up too much because I don't for any, you know, blockage or anything to avoid any of that. So, yep. So I just do it gradually as I see it needed. I just refill it. Yeah, so I just wanted to unhook my phone so I can show you guys what's going on. Okay, so down below here, you can see the oil is dripping out slowly. And then over here, we have the press cake. So that's literally what the almonds turned into. So from almonds to oil, press cake, and I have a different set of filters in here, and you can see what color the oil is as it comes out. I'll just go down a little bit more so you can see. As you can see, that's what it looks like. And then, you know, from filter it changes into that. Nut cake, the finer part that couldn't go through the filter, it's being filtered out down there. I have a little system set up down there that I'm, you know, you got to be creative, right? Yeah, 100% Jamaican almond, hand selected, chopped, pressed into oil. Okay guys, I just wanted to share with you what we do here at Nigels Jamaican Almond World. If you like this video, please, let us know, give us a like, and be sure to get your Jamaican almond oil today. All right, thank you for loving us, loving Harmony. All right, bye bye.